Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a search bar in Adobe XD. First, begin by drawing a rectangle, perhaps with a height of 48 pixels, to serve as the background. Next, place a text input field inside this rectangle, allowing users to type their search terms. Don't forget to add a clear search icon, like a magnifying glass, usually positioned on one side. Finally, group these three essential components together to form your basic search bar structure. Now, let's make your search bar interactive by utilizing component states. You'll want to define a default state for its initial look. Then, create a focus state that activates when a user clicks into the input area, perhaps changing the border color to a vibrant blue. Also, consider adding a hover state for when the mouse cursor passes over the bar, offering visual feedback. Managing these states ensures a dynamic and responsive user experience. Prototyping brings your search bar to life. Connect the default state to the focus state using a tap trigger, perhaps with a 0.3-second auto-animate transition. You can then simulate typing by having placeholder text disappear as the user interacts. Crucially, link the focus state to a new results screen when a return key is pressed, showing the search outcome. This creates a realistic and engaging user flow. To finalize your search bar, focus on refinement and best practices. Ensure consistent spacing, perhaps 8 pixels between the icon and text, and perfect alignment for a polished look. Select legible fonts like Roboto or Open Sans and maintain strong color contrast for accessibility. Always test your design on different screen sizes, from mobile to desktop, to guarantee responsiveness. Adding a small clear button for input text can also greatly enhance usability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.